In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand or condense logarithms. I'm just going to pick some examples out of the textbook, and I'll work through those with you on a piece of paper. So, first we'll do log base 8 of 3xy. We're going to use the product rule here because we have three things that are being multiplied together. So I'd rewrite this as the log base 8 of 3 plus the log base 8 of x plus the log base 8 of y. That's it. That's as far as we can go. So that is my expanded answer. Next example is the log of 10x to the third y. So, again, we have three things, 10x cubed and y. So I'm going to rewrite this as log of 10 plus log of x cubed plus the log of y. Then lastly, I'm going to use the power property that says I can take this exponent and move it out front as a coefficient. So my answer becomes log 10 plus 3 log x plus log y. Next example, we'll do the natural log of 3y over x to the fifth. You can see that I've got, let's zoom out a little bit here. You can see that I've got three pieces. I've got a 3, a y, and an x cubed. I've got some multiplication and some division. So I'm going to rewrite this as the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of y, because those are being multiplied, minus the natural log of x to the fifth. And using the power property, I can move that exponent out front. So my answer becomes the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of y minus 5 times the natural log of x. Then we'll move on to condensing. So we'll do this guy, 3 times log base 7 of 4 plus log base 7 of 6. So I'm going to move this guy using the power property. So this becomes log base 7 of 4 to the third plus log base 7 of 6. 4 to the third is 64, and I've got two logs that are being added, so I'm going to rewrite that using the product property. It says log base 7 of 64 times 6. And now, if you're just given numbers in this problem, you can actually multiply them together. So 64 times 6 is 384. So this would be a log base 7 of 384. For another example, let's do this guy. 2 times the natural log of x plus 5 times the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 8. We've got two power property. So I can do the natural log of x squared plus the natural log of 2 to the fifth minus the natural log of 8. 2 to the fifth is 32. Now I'm going to use a combination of the product property, that's adding, and the quotient property, that's subtracting, to write this as the natural log of, I'm going to put the 32 in front. I don't care if you put the x squared in front, but those both need to be in the numerator. The 8 needs to be in the denominator. We can simplify this to become the natural log of 4x squared.